So good evening. Today we are going to solve one classic Sudoku. This puzzle has been taken from a book, Enthralling Sudoku, published by Ashish Kumar. He is one of the topmost solver of India. And this puzzle is solved and tested by Kota. And his timing is 2 minutes and 25 seconds. So let's start it. So here, see this second box. In this second box, we cannot place 1 in these two cells and also we cannot place 1 in these two cells. So the possible place, let's do the pencil marking for 1, 1 and 1. Now similarly 4, we cannot place 4 in these two cells and 4 is not possible in these two cells. So again pencil marking 1, 4, 1, 4. Now if 1 is here, so we cannot place 1 in these three cells. We can just simply block these cells for 1 and 1 is not possible here. So the only place for 1 is this. Now 4, we can block 4, these two cells and these two cells. 4 is possible here. So this is 4, this is 1. Now in this line 1, 2, 3, only 2 numbers are left. 8 we cannot place here. So 8 and 9. So it's a good start. Now again for 3 we can do the pencil marking in these two cells 3 and 3. Now let's find out some more clues. It's little bit tough puzzle. Okay. Till now we are not getting any hints, any clues. Okay. Now see this box number 3. In this box number 3, 8 is not possible in this cell and we can block 8 these two cells also. So let's do the pencil marking for 8, 8 and 8. Now if 8 is here, so we cannot write 8 in these three cells. 8 is not possible in these three cells. So the only possible place for 8 is this. Okay. Tough one but interesting. Find some more, scan for some more clues. 5, you can see 5 we cannot place in these two cells. Also 5 is not possible in these. So pencil marking for 5, 5 and 5. And first let's do all the pencil markings. 3, we cannot place 3 here and because of this 3 we can block these two cells. So for 3, okay, but it is, and for 5, as 5 is here, so for 5 also we can do the pencil marking. Still we are not getting something. Okay, fine. Here 8, we'll get the clue from this 8. 8 we cannot write in these two cells. Also 8 is not possible here. So the only place for 8 is this. Now only 3 numbers are left in this box. So 6 we cannot write here. So 7, 9. 7 we cannot write here. So 6, 9 and this 6, 7, 9. So if we are writing 7 in any of these two cells, so this will block these two cells for 7. Now we can write 7 here. Okay. Now 5, we cannot write 5 here. So 5 and 2, this box is completed. Okay, now 1, see the last 2 rows, we cannot place 1 in these 3 cells. Also 1 is not possible here, and because of this 1, we cannot write 1 in this cell also. So 1. And with this same 1 we will continue. 1 and this 1, and very nice. So okay, let's scan some more, find out some more clues. Okay, let's see this last cell of first row. We can do some pencil marking here. 1, 2 is not possible. Only 3 and 6 we can place in this cell. Only 3 and 6. Three and 6. All right. And 2, 5, 6, 9. No. Okay. Here also we can do some pencil marking. 4, 4, 5 and 4, 5. Now only one is already done. 2, 8 and 9. 2, 8 and 9. So here we cannot write 2, 8. So only 2 and 9. This 8 and 9 and 2, 8, 9. And if this is 2, 8, 9, now we can simply eliminate 9 from this cell. So here only 6 and 7. Okay. And if 9 is in these 3 cells, then we can simply block these 2 cells for 9, and this cell also we cannot write 9 here. So 9 can be written here or in this cell. So with this we can eliminate 9 from this cell also. So very nice. Now we got it. This is 7. This must be 7. Now this is 6 and this is 9. Now again, if 9 is here, then we can do the pencil marking 3, 9, 3, 9. Now 6, the only place for 6 in this box is this 6. If this is 6, then we can simply eliminate 6 from here. So this is 3. Okay. Now only 2 cells are left in this line. So let's check. This is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7. So 4 we cannot write here. 7 and 4. And now this box 4, 4. Here 4 will come and 9. This is 5 or 7. Let's see. Check this third box. This cell. In only 4 numbers are left: 2, 6, 8 and 7, and in this cell we cannot write 2, 6 and 8, so only 7. So 7. Now 7, 5. Okay. Now 2 and 6, so 8. Here either 2 or 6, 2 or 6. Now this is 2, 5 and 6. Let's do the pencil marking. This is 5, 6, 2, 5 and 2, 5, 6. This is triplet, 2, 5 and 6 triplet. Now and in this last box 2, 5 and 6 triplet. 2, 5 and 6, so 2 is not possible here. 5, 6, 2, 5, 6 and 2, 5, 6. Okay. 7 we cannot write in 7 in these two cells. Also because of this 7, these two cells are blocked for 7. Now 7 we cannot write here, so 7. Now see the first box, 7, 9, now 8. Again this is pencil marking, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Fine. So if this is 8, we can simply eliminate 8 from this cell. And this is 9. Now this is 2 and this is 8. Now if this is 2, we can eliminate 2 from this cell. So 2, 2, 6 and 5. Now this is 5, so we can eliminate 5 from this cell. So this is 5, this 4. Now 1, 4, 1. Now 5 we cannot write in these two cells. Also 5 is not possible here. So the only place for 5 is this. 5. No. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 9. This 3, 4 and 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Okay, let's do the pencil marking here. 3, 9, 3, 9. Now 4, with the help of these two 4s, we just 4. Now 4, 3, 9. Now almost our puzzle is done. 9, 9. This is 3. Now only one number is left here. That is 6. Now 6, 2, 6, 6, 2, 2, 5, 5, 3, 3, 9. And puzzle is solved. It was easy and interesting puzzle. So you just give it a try and record your timing. All the best.